fancy people, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a beautiful, fabulous, amazing day. So I'm back with another video, and this video is a fun one. This is going to be my apartment tour. As you guys know, I recently moved all the way to LA, so I am happy to bring you guys into my new home and show you what I got going on. And I'm really excited because some of the items in here I decorated with pieces that I got from my job. So I hope you guys enjoy the tour, and here we go. So this is the front door. This is the first thing you see when you walk in. To the right is our kitchen. To the left is our dining/office area. So I don't really have a dining table officially, but I kind of turned this into like an office space. This is where I do work. This is where I edit videos and eat dinner. So the table is just a folding table from Target, topped with a fabric that I had laying around. The corkboard I got from either Didi's or Ross, and on top of it I just placed some fabric samples of colors that I want to see in the home. The world globe, I got that from Target years back. The dishes are thrifted. The lamp I got from Ethan Allen, where I work. These two chairs are from IKEA. The third one is a thrifted chair that I've had for a long time. And so this is an overview of the room. To the right is a kitchen. I'm not going to get into it. It's just a kitchen, nothing crazy. But now we're going to focus on my favorite part of the room, which is the living room area. So when you open the front door, this is the first scene that you get to see, which is the beautiful living room. We have floor-to-ceiling windows, and across from us we have a view of this beautiful brown and steel building. So to the right we have my sofa, and featuring one of my favorite parts of this whole room, which is this giant 10-foot palm leaf that I found and brought into our house. Everyone thought I was crazy bringing it in because it's ginormous, but it is so beautiful, and I accidentally just placed it on the wall like this and ended up really loving it because I just brought it into the house, didn't know what I was going to do with it,
Clarece.
as you can see here. I found this palm leaf laying on the side of the road. It just freshly fell off of a palm tree, and I knew that I had to get it in my house. But it's so beautiful, and I just came in and I leaned it against the wall, just so that way to figure out what I'll do with it later. But the way that I leaned it against the wall was so beautiful, and it just really brings a piece of what I love, which is palm trees, and it also alludes to the beach in a beautiful way. It really is a showstopper of the whole living room. So next to the sofa, I just have a bar cart that I got from Target with a lamp that is also from Ethan Allen, and I feel like the green, that pop of green just is so beautiful. And on the bottom I just have some tchotchkes, some flowers that I had forever, candles, glitter, filing, brack, random things, and my plant Larry right there off to the side. I was really going for a neutral palette that was also very rich. I wanted it to be like Nomad Chic, so that's the look that I was really going for, and I think I hit it right in the nail. The sofa I got from my old job, which was Lazy Boy. It's the Beacon Hills, my favorite sofa of all time. Super comfy, skirted, super relaxed. I love it. The assortment of pillows are what really tie this room together. All of these pillows are from Ethan Allen. They are beautiful, hand-beaded, just beautiful fabrics. The textures and the different colors all mixed together with that pop of ruby on that velvet pillow with the fur. It's just so stunning, and I love it. sofa, I have 3 pieces of artwork that I bought when I had my first apartment. I placed them there for Thanksgiving and just haven't moved them. They kind of work with the room. So now if we look to the other side of the room, that's where my TV is. So I just use, this isn't the official TV stand, but I just used the bar table that I had originally and used it to put the TV on top of. And next to it are just some candles that I made. If you want to know how to make these, you can click the link in the upper right corner. I did a DIY tutorial on how I made these candles. And then next to that is my favorite chair of all time that I found thrifting. I actually found it at Habitat for Humanity, and I haven't changed the fabric, and it kind of goes with the room right now. So that is pretty much my room in a nutshell. Those 2 bar stools go to that table that the TV is on top of. The rug is from IKEA. But yeah, so this is my new humble abode. Isn't quite finished yet. Oh, peek that other tree over there in the corner. I have trees everywhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed my living room tour, and yeah. Make sure that you subscribe and comment below of what was your favorite moments of the room. What are your favorite key pieces? And if you have any questions on anything, you can comment down below. I love you, fancy people. Remember to design a fancy life and be fabulous.